Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Njeri, and today I want to show you guys my mandala or tapestry which my sister bought for me from Jumia. Guys, I was not expecting this delivery to come today because I ordered it on 19th June 2020 and it came today, guys. Yes, it was supposed to come between 21st July and 24th July. So I hope everything is good. And yeah, here's the package. It's so tiny. Oh my god. Yeah, so guys, let me tell you where I found the inspiration to buy this mandala. You see those tumbler rooms? Those tumbler rooms that look so aesthetically pleasing, right? Well, I wanted a room like that, which has a mandala, fairy lights, cute Polaroid pictures, hey, a very nice aesthetically pleasing window which has plants and yeah, everything. You know, I wanted that. So I'm slowly making my dream come alive, guys. And the first step was by buying this mandala. So let me just cut out this part that has staples because I don't want to remove these staples. Hey, I feel like cutting is just an easier thing to do. Let me remove the staples. Let me just remove. Like, am I the one who fears staples? Like, bro, right? I don't want a stapler or staple near my face. I fear those things like popping into your eyes or your nose or eye. Yeah.
Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. So this packaging came with a letter, guys. As in, dear, okay, now it has my sister's name. So, dear Nyamweru Mushiri, we hope that you enjoy your order. If you did not receive all the products you ordered for, please note that they may arrive in multiple deliveries. For further assistance, you can reach us by phone at the number. And they have the return info, then the tracking number, then the product name. Yeah, it's cute. This thing is so thick, guys, as in what? And then I've also wiped it a bit because you never know, guys, you never know. So let me just try and look for an opening. Guys, oh my god, I can see it, oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, guys, can you see this? Can you see this? I'm telling you, my dreams are coming alive. Amen. Heavens are opening. Just say amen, amen. Wow, it's so thick and it's so cute. Now that I've received this beautiful mandala tapestry, I'll hang it over here. Yes sir, so that y'all can just see how it flows. And yeah, it's really cute, guys. Wow.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. All that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
The mandala is officially on the wall, as you can see. It's so beautiful, as in, wow, it's so beautiful, and the fabric is so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. And I used this tape to stick the mandala because I didn't want to damage the fabric and I didn't want to damage the wall, so I used tape, and it's a pretty strong tape. It's called strong double stick foam tape. It's available in House of Leather because that's where I bought this one, and it has instructions at the back of this thing. Yeah, so if you want your mandala, just head over to Jumia and order your mandala, because trust me, it's real and it's really good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. That's it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be a part of Uncle Leko Raptor family. Hey. See you again in my next video. Bye.